If you are running a website on Hostinger and you have suddenly encountered the dreaded 500 internal server error, don't worry. This is one of the most common issues webmasters face, and usually it indicates a configuration error rather than a complete site breakdown. In this video, I am going to walk you through the essential steps to troubleshoot and fix the 500 internal server error on Hostinger, so you can get your site back online as quickly as possible. If this guide helps you resolve your technical issue, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let us get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Once you are in, navigate to the Websites tab and enter your specific website dashboard. From here, we need to inspect your site files to see if a corrupted configuration is the culprit. You have two main options. You can either open the file manager directly within the hosting panel, or you can connect via an FTP client like FileZilla if you prefer that method. We are going to focus on the file manager for this walkthrough. Locate the public_HTML folder and double-click to open it. Inside, you should see a file named htaccess. This file is extremely powerful as it controls how the server handles requests. Sometimes an incorrect rule or a syntax error in this file causes the 500 error. Right-click on the .htaccess file and choose the rename option. Change the name to .htaccess_backup. By renaming this, you are effectively disabling the file. Now, try loading your website in a new browser tab. If the site loads correctly, it means the original .htaccess file was indeed the problem. If the error persists, there is one more vital setting we need to check. Go back to your Hostinger dashboard and look for PHP configuration. Inside this menu, find the option for memory_limit. Often, if your website scripts exceed the allocated memory, the server throws a 500 error. Change the limit to 256 MB and save your changes. This usually provides enough overhead for most WordPress or CMS sites to function without crashing. If you follow these two steps, you will resolve the vast majority of internal server errors. Remember to clear your browser cache if you do not see the changes immediately. Hopefully your site is back up and running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful in saving your website, please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more hosting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.